everyone. In our previous session, we learned how to multiply two fractions, how to multiply proper fractions, improper fractions, or the mixed numbers. But in today's video, we will first learn about the reciprocal. What the reciprocal is. The reciprocal of a fraction is obtained by the interchanging the numerator and the denominator. That is by inverting the fractions. Reciprocal means numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. Like here is a fraction 5 over 3. Reciprocal of 5 over 3 will be 3 over 5. Fine. Suppose there is a whole number 7. The reciprocal will be 1 over 7. It is also known as multiplicative inverse. Now I am going to explain you reciprocal through this table. See, if the fraction is a proper fraction, the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal will be an improper fraction. For example, 5 over 6 is a proper fraction and reciprocal will be 6 over 5, which is improper fraction. Next, improper fraction is there, so it will become proper fraction. For example, 8 over 3 will become 3 over 8. Whole number will become proper fraction. 3 is a whole number. We can write it like 3 upon 1 and the reciprocal will be 1 over 3. Mixed number will be proper fraction. See how? Mixed number when we convert it becomes improper fraction. 3 2s are 6 and 1 7 over 3 and the reciprocal will be 3 over 7. 1 is a whole number and fraction of 1 is 1 upon 1. Reciprocal is also the same 1 upon 1. Next, 0 has no reciprocal. 0 has no reciprocal. Now, we are starting exercise 4.4, question 7, 8, 9, 10 I am doing. 5 over 9. Reciprocal is 9 over 5. 3 roll 3 over 4. First convert it. 4 3s are 12, 3. 15 over 4. And reciprocal will be 4 over 15. 5 4s are 20 and 1, 21 over 5. Reciprocal will be 5 over 21. 6, whole number. Fraction is 6 over 1 and reciprocal will be 1 over 6. I hope you understand it. In the continuation of reciprocal and multiplicative inverse, now we are going to start exercise 4.5, that is of dividing the fractions. First question is divide each of the following. First part, 10 divided by 5 over 6. The very first step that we will take, we will write 1 under 10 because 10 was a whole number. Now it is a fraction. The next step, change the step divide into the multiply and write the multiplicative inverse of 5 over 6. That will be 6 over 5. Now it is a simple question of multiply that we have done before. So do the cutting. 5 1s are 5 2s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 1 1s are 1. Means 12 is the answer. Next part, 20 divided by 15 over 6. Same way, we will write 1 under 20 to make it a fraction. Change the divide sign into the multiply sign. Reciprocal of 15 over 6. That will be 6 over 15. Now do the cutting. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. We can cut 3 and 6 as well. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 1 1s are 1. Means 8 is our answer. Our second question is divide each of the following fractions. G part 7 over 9 divided by 2 over 5. Both are the proper fractions. 7 over 9, first step, change the divide sign into multiply and write the reciprocal of 2 over 5. That will be 5 over 2. Do the cutting if possible. 7, 5, 2. These three are prime numbers, so no cutting. Multiply 7 5s are 35. 9 2s are 18. We can convert in the mixed fraction. 35 divided by 18. 18 1s are 18 because 2s is 36. That is more. Subtract 18 from 35, that will be 17. So the answer will be QRD, 1 roll 17 over 18. That is the answer. H part is also the same. One is proper fraction, one is improper. Write 3 over 22. Change the divide sign into multiply and reciprocal of 14 over 11. That is 11 over 14. Now do the cutting. 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22. No more cuttings because denominator both can't cut. 3 ones are 3. 2 14s are 28. This is a proper fraction. So this will be the answer. Find the quotient. Simplify if needed. Quotient means the answer of a division question. G part 7 roll 3 over 6 divide by 9. Mixed number divided by a whole number. The very first step, convert the mixed number into an improper fraction. 6 7s are 42 and 3 45 over 6 divide by 9. 9 is a whole number, so write 1 under to make it a fraction. Multiplicative inverse of 9 over 1 is 1 over 9. Now do the cutting. 9 ones are 9, 9 fives are 45. No more cuttings. 5 ones are 5, 6 ones are 6. This is a proper fraction. So this is the answer only. Next part, 6 roll 3 over 4. Divide by 3. Same way. First convert it in improper fraction. 4 6 are 24 plus 3. 27 over 4. Divide by 3 over 1. Make it a fraction. Now do the reciprocal of the divisor. Dividend will be the same. Change the divide sign into multiply and this into 1 upon 3. Do the cuttings. 3 ones are 3 nines are 27. It's 9 over 4. It said simplify if needed. Here simplification is needed. So divide 9 by 4. 4 twos are 8. 1 remainder. So the answer will be 2 roll 1 over 4. This is our final answer. Our fourth question is divide each of the following mixed numbers. See, both are the mixed numbers now. So first step we will take, we will convert them into improper fractions. 8 twos are 16 plus 5 21 over 8 divided by 3 twos are 6, 6 and 1 7 over 3. Now we will do the multiplicative inverse of divisor. 7 over 3, 21 over 8. Change the sign. 3 over 7. Do the cutting. 7 ones are 7. 7 threes are 21. No more cuttings. 3 threes are 9 over 8 ones are 8. Convert it into the mixed number. 1 roll 1 over 8. Next. 6 roll 3 over 5. Divide by 1 roll 4 over 7. 5 6 are 30 plus 3 33 over 5 divided by 7 ones are 7 and 4 11 over 7. Now reciprocal of 11 over 7. Change the sign. 7 over 11. 11 ones are 11. 11 threes are 33. No more cuttings. All are the prime numbers. So 3 sevens are 21. 5 ones are 5. Now convert into the mixed number. 5 fours are 20. Remainder 1. Answer will be 4 roll 1 over 5. I hope you understand it. Enjoyed a lot. Rest of the parts you can do yourself. Thank you.